Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Nordfjordeid in Norway, outside of the Sagastad Center. Outside you see a playground, some trampolines built into the ground, interesting balancing beams and more. And there's a sign that says Nordfjord. Some people are in front of the letters, so it's a little bit hard to see the other side. They're on the J. It spells out Nordfjord. See F-J-O-R-D and then N-O-R-D, and it goes back. So cool design of the sign. And back to the Sagastad Center, see a sloping roof that goes down. This is a river walk area. There's a walkway on this side, but it looks like the water's gone up too far, so you can't really walk all the way down, although some people are still trying. People just walking on the rocks on the side. Lots of seagulls around here, flying up and over. Church in the background, beach volleyball over here, a boat rack, and much more going on. See a seagull coming in a little bit closer. You can follow it with the camera and get a view of the fjords in the back. See what looks to be a cafe in the background, magnifique, and looks to be an office building in the back. A little windy today, but still nice temperature, good for hoodie weather. Getting closer to the fjord over here, you can see all the green trees lining up. A bit for everyone, playground for the kids, walking area for everyone else. See the tides come in. Nice building here with a red roof. Lots of red in this area. Loud seagulls, once again. They're coming in, you can hear it. And two seagulls on top of this lamp. Usually it's just one. They do like the high places. So interesting to see two of them next to each other. A little bridge on this end, some of the sidewalks, and the kids climbing up on the roof. A different cruise ship in the back, not the one that I took. It looks like CFC, Renaissance, not familiar with that one. Heading back to the walkway, the seagulls landing on the water, some of them just flying above. Sun beating down, good time for sunglasses with sunny days like this one. See some stairs on this side going down and see the beach material. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.